Hatu PCN ya ka jingduna jong ka AMH hapo ka blood report jong pi. AMH kade ka anti-mullerian hormone ka bapenmi ekisambai jong pi. Kade ka jingpun ya ka jingdon jong kisambai ha ka to ka por. Kam ya thu sendan ne kilat jong ka pregnancy. Wat lada ka AMH jong pi kade point 2. Wat la ka taru pidang dan ya kalat ban yok hun.
Ka sarkar jilla kala manjur ban pyntreikam yak integrated eco-tourism sustainable agri-based livelihood development project ka ba $1 million ka ba labi pisa nak Asian Development Bank. Ukonrat kongkal sangmau loong ba ka project ka baning kong ka dai chispa $1 million hendrai la penhiarno ya kakat kum ka jing turwa ka sarkar India ban bu do put iki project ba bay tengka na sabar ka balak ban shim da ka jilla. Uli itu ba kejela Meghalaya kalasyam hadu katar hajar kelur tengka mat nakani jankot kendai hajar kelur tengka an hak bansiu rak sarkar India bari gini project an pyntreikam hakalang gibenta jong kejela.
Proposal for the integrated ecotourism sustainable agri-based livelihood development project in Meghalaya through the Asian Development Bank. This is an externally aided project. This project was initially a $145 million project, but we have now scaled it down based on Government of India's proposal to put a ceiling on different externally aided projects which can be availed by the states. We had to bring it down from 145 to about $80 million. And this was being done obviously because Government of India is the authority that repays back 80% of the loan on behalf of the states in the northeast and the hill states. And therefore, Government of India felt that the states were taking the money, but they would have to repay it back. And hence they decided to put a ceiling. Meghalaya has taken 12,000 crores. So out of that, almost close to 9,000 crores will be repaid back by Government of India. And so keeping that in mind, we had to scale it down. So this project, which has been scaled down, is also a project which we have now further expanded into different areas. So it will not just be in a particular location, but it will be spread out throughout the state. Earlier it was meant to be only in Sora area, but ADB came and said that Sora may not have the capacity to absorb all of this. So therefore you need to expand the area. As well as they suggested that apart from tourism alone, other aspects of ecotourism and also for agriculture could also be included in this particular EAP. So based on that, we have changed the scope of this project, and now today we are going to cover the entire state, number one. Number two is going to be focused on tourism as well as on agri-based livelihood development projects.